Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a very important topic for anyone looking to grow a Telegram channel, fake views bots. If you've ever been tempted by those services promising quick boosts in your view count, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll understand the serious risks of fake views and learn the safe, legit ways to truly increase your channel's visibility and impact. Let's get straight to the point. Using bots to artificially inflate your Telegram views is frankly a really bad idea. While it sounds tempting to see those view numbers jump, there's a minefield of problems waiting right behind that shortcut. First, it's not just frowned upon, it actually breaks Telegram's terms of service. If you try to game the system by buying fake views, your account, your bot, or even your community can get flagged with embarrassing labels like fake or scam. Even worse, Telegram can shut you down permanently. Imagine putting in all that work only to lose it overnight because of a shortcut. Trust me, reputations are hard to rebuild. Now, even if you're thinking, I'll risk it for the numbers, let's talk about engagement. Bots don't care about your content. They won't hit like, share your post, or leave comments. You end up with a channel that looks active on the surface but feels like a ghost town underneath. Real users and potential sponsors can spot this instantly. High views and zero interaction just don't add up. This isn't just about pride, it's about credibility. If you want genuine growth, shortcuts won't get you there. And here, another issue: Telegram's algorithm is really smart. If it sees sudden, big spikes in your views that just don't match your normal activity, it can shadowban your channel. That means your posts get buried, making it even harder for new users to find you. So instead of getting ahead, you're actually moving backwards. Plus, consider security. Many of these fake bot services are run by shady third parties. Using them isn't just risky for your channel. It's dangerous for your personal data. Some of these tools ask for login information or API keys, putting you at risk for phishing scams or even malware. It's just not worth it. And perhaps the most frustrating part: money wasted. Even if fake views boost your numbers for a few days, Telegram regularly sweeps them away. You could wake up tomorrow and see all those paid-for members and views gone. That's money you'll never get back, and your genuine growth suffers in the process. Now let's talk about what works, because authentic growth is not only safer but so much more rewarding. The single most important factor is your content. High-quality posts that inform, entertain, or solve problems will always attract real people. Post regularly, stay consistent, and think about what your audience finds valuable. Optimizing your channel profile is another key. Use a clear, recognizable profile picture and write a compelling description with keywords that actually match what people search for. Pick an easy-to-remember username to make it effortless for viewers to share or find your channel. Telegram's official ads platform gives you the option to promote your channel to people who are already active in your niche. It's totally legitimate, cost-effective, and you can target your ideal audience, no risk of phantom views. Don't forget to promote beyond Telegram. Share your channel link on your social media bios, your website, email newsletters, anywhere your community is already hanging out. Every touchpoint is an opportunity for real engagement. Collaborating with influencers or other established channels can also be huge. Think of this like cross-pollination. When you work with creators in your niche, you tap into their audience and vice versa. You both grow together and make your channel interactive. Telegram has great tools like polls, quizzes, and emoji reactions. These turn your audience from passive viewers into active participants. People love to feel involved, and engagement boosts visibility. Finally, submitting your channel to reputable directories like TGStat helps you get discovered by users who are searching for new communities to join. It's simple, legit, and gets your channel in front of people eager to connect. If you're serious about building a thriving Telegram channel, leave the shortcuts behind. Focus on organic strategies and watch your community grow in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions or want to share your own Telegram growth story. See you next time.